Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We'll start with Tron at number 11, followed by Polkadot, Polygon, Toncoin, Shiba, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and then we'll end it with Avalanche at number 20. Let's get straight into it. Tron against BTC. Okay, Tron is behaving very weirdly. Right, this is not what I would consider as a bearish chart pattern. Nope. If anything, this is bullish. Why? Because this is looking to me like an ascending. Right, value 1, value 2. Yeah, you see, like every time we drop, we get pushed back up. We drop, we get pushed back up. Drop, we get pushed back up. So could things turn bullish from here? Possibly. Anything that we can any tradable chart pattern for Tron BTC? Nope, not at this point of time. Tron against USD. We still have our 3 targets here. 3 cents, 2 cents, and then 1.5. This is a rising channel. Rising channels usually break lower, right? Rising channel, you see this? Rising channels break lower. Falling channels break higher, but this is a rising channel, right? Again, look at this. We drop lower, right? Again, rising channel. We drop lower, right? Rising channel, it's only a matter of time before we drop lower. And there are so many clusters of stop sells along the way. If and when we fall, it is going to be fast. Like for example over here, right? We were rising, and then boom! That was so fast when it arrived, right? You wouldn't have known, right, that it was going to fall. You couldn't see it if and when it was going to fall. Maybe over here you might think, oh, there's a lower high. So maybe we could go a bit higher, right? Clusters of stop buys over here, but nope. What happened? We just dropped, boom, with speed towards the downside, right? And this was the drop that came. Right, so there could also be another drop coming with speed towards the downside. If anything, this is uber bearish for me, and I still expect the targets to be hit eventually. Right? I mean, of course, if things start going higher, then yeah, of course, sure, we'll switch to a bullish bias. But for now, no, you can also see this is a higher high, but a lower high on the MACD, lower high on the RSI. Right, it's a double bearish divergence, and so we dropped. Yeah, again, I suspect there could be a rally though before we drop, right? So yeah, nope, it's looking pretty bearish to me. DOT against BTC, Polkadot DOT against BTC. There's just nothing much for us to work with. You may argue that this is a double bullish divergence, right? A lower low on the price, but a higher low on the MACD, higher low on the RSI. But yeah, it doesn't look like a bottom to me. So I'd be very careful about rushing to anything for Polkadot. Against BTC, against USD, we have a fresh target out of the oven, $3.20. We actually had the $3.30 target way back in September, and we still anticipate Polkadot to be hitting both targets. We'll probably be heading into sub $3 for Polkadot if we complete the descending triangle. You see this? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, we're about to complete now. Mountain number 3, right? Look at this. Is this a shooting star? Are we going to get a shooting star? Okay, we're not entirely sure, but I am expecting us to hit both targets. Again, a target fresh out of the oven. We could be at the very, very end of the move though, right? We already oversold over here, right? Oversold. So how much lower can we go? Yeah, I suspect if and when we drop, it's going to be a very fast move back towards the upside. I suspect, but we'll have to see how it goes, right? Yeah, Polkadot is still bearish to me. MATIC against BTC. Here we are for MATIC. MATIC. Yeah, we're aware that there is a resistance area over here, but that doesn't mean we can't take out these lows, right? Even if we were to drop lower to take out these lows, this could still be an inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, come back down, head, right shoulder, break higher, right? And if and when this happens, it could be 2024, November. Again, we're not entirely sure, but MATIC doesn't really look that good to me, right? So we're already under the skinny pink line. So we need to see a reversal soon if we were to start reversing, right? So yeah, be careful. Careful about rushing into a trade for MATIC BTC. Against USD, we still have our 38 cents target. We're still anticipating more downside. It's not looking good. If we were to hit towards 38 cents, again, a descending triangle. A gigantic one, right? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3. MATIC could be in deep trouble, right? Deep trouble. So yeah, if we just drop down to 38 cents, drop even lower, take out all of these lows without forming a third mountain, then yes, things could just start recovering faster, right? Compared to if we were to get a third mountain. We could just zip down, zoop, and then we start a recovery, right? something like a slanted inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulders, head, right shoulder, palm. Again, we're not entirely sure, so yeah, it's just not really high quality chart pattern. Not at this point of time. TON against BTC. Here we are for Toncoin TON BTC. We are in a rally. Anything for us? Nope. TON USDT. We'll look at it on Gates. Okay, this is an inverse head and shoulders. You see this? Yeah, but I suspect that this is a fake. It's gonna be a fake out. What I mean by that is we're still under the skinny pink line. So our bias is still bearish for TON USD. I suspect we might see a rise up, pew, sweep up all of the highs over here before coming back down. Right? I still think that we are going to do something like this. I honestly still think this is going to happen. So yeah, again, we'll have to see how it goes. I kind of like what I see on the bigger time frames, right? A, B, C, D. Even if we were to drop lower, right? This will be a very nice C. We get a D, E, and then pump. We break higher, right? 2024. This would be awesome, but at this point of time, yeah, I just don't see it yet. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Toncoin. Shiba Inu, SHIB USDT. Here we are for SHIB. Previously, we had a mountain range over here. Big mountain, medium mountain, small. Doop. Then we rose higher. We broke back up above the resistance line. And now we are kind of coming back down. Not exactly sure. I can see one mountain. I don't know if you're going to be getting mountain number 2 and then mountain number 3 descending, drop even lower. Right. Could we switch bullish from here? Of course. But I wouldn't be, too quick to flip bullish. Right. There's still big selling pressure coming on for Shiba Inu. So yeah, this could also turn into a rising channel, which could still hit lower. So not really looking that good for me. So be careful about rushing to a trade too soon for Shiba Inu. Litecoin against BTC. Here we are for Litecoin. Yeah, this is very sad for Litecoin. Litecoin had a nice move here. Woo! But then we got slapped back down. Are we going to form new lows? Yeah, looks like it. Every time Litecoin rallies, it forms new lows. Right? It goes above the skinny pink line, it forms new lows. Above the skinny pink line, new lows could be coming on for Litecoin. Oh boy, just not really looking that good. Technical wise, it's just poor. Look at this. Mountains, 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 mountains. Zip down. Right, we had a very nice symmetrical over here. Right, we were expecting things to continue higher, but we didn't. Right, it was a fake breakout. We got pulled all the way back down towards the support. We broke the support. So where are we heading to? Yeah, very likely we're gonna head towards sub 40. Very likely, very likely. I'm not sure if this is. I still need to see a right shoulder appear. Right, this could be a left head. This could be a right shoulder. But I still don't see it yet, right? We're already oversold, so there could be a rally coming on for Litecoin. So be careful about rushing to a trade too soon for Litecoin. Yeah, but if anything, Litecoin is looking pretty bearish to me. Bitcoin Cash, BCH against BTC. Here we are for Bitcoin Cash. Anything for Bitcoin Cash? Okay, Bitcoin Cash is already above the resistance line, right? We broke above the resistance line. We retested the resistance. Are we going to bounce from here? Or are we going to break back under the resistance? Support. And also break the skinny pink line. Is this what's going to happen? Yes? No? We're not too sure ourselves. It would be great though if we could just stay above the skinny pink line, right? It's going to be the same technicals compared to the USD. We were saying that we'll probably take out, these lows over here, right? We'll come to this area. We actually surpassed it. Here we are. Any clear signs of a reversal? No. Are we oversold? Yeah. Could we just start reversing from here? Of course. But could we also head back lower? Of course. Any clear high quality tradable chart pattern for us for Bitcoin Cash? No. Nope, not at this point of time. If we touch the skinny pink line, this is not good. We'll see how it goes first though, but yeah, again, we're not entirely sure, so we have to take things one step at a time for Bitcoin Cash. Next will be Avalanche AVAX against BTC. Here we are for AVAX. Again, a lower low, but a higher low on the MACD. You see this? Higher low on the MACD, higher low on the RSI. So could be some sort of a reversal coming on soon, but yeah, technical wise, it's not looking that good. I think we'll probably be taking out these lows. It's only a matter of time in my opinion. It could be a rally, but yeah, it could be a fake rally. Again, we're not entirely sure, but yeah, AVAX just isn't really looking that good against BTC. Against USD, yeah, we still have our targets over here. $9, and after that we have a $7.60 target. $9, we got it ever since September. Same target that we got since, was it with Polkadot or Polygon? Yeah. We still expect more downside for AVAX. We're already at 10.45. I think we're going to breach back under sub 10. We're going to sweep up these lows, in my opinion. Right. It's not really looking that good, though. Maybe after that, we might see some sort of a reversal. If we go to the weekly, yeah, we might go into oversold territory on the weekly. And then maybe see some sort of a reversal. But again, we're not entirely sure, so we're going to have to take things one step at a time for AVAX. It's just not really looking that good in the markets right now. So stay safe and don't do anything I wouldn't do. See you in the next one. Hope you guys have a great day. Ta-da!